Mansory is the first tuner to offer a comprehensive update to its conversion program, particularly for the popular Gronos, initially offering a limited production run of 8 units each. The conversion program has been redesigned in all areas, meaning that all carbon parts of the relevant body kit have been completely redesigned. A new full carbon bonnet with integrated, newly directed full carbon air intakes, a new light design on the front aprons, a new roof light arrangement and new wheel arches with integrated Mansory logo round off the changes for the model year change. The Gronos also features a new spare wheel cover with an illuminated Mansory logo. The engine has been overhauled with the help of larger turbochargers and a high-performance exhaust system with new downpipes. In combination with the newly programmed engine electronics, the 4.0-liter V8 engine delivers an impressive 820 horsepower, series, 585 horsepower, and the maximum torque increases from the standard 850 Nm to 1,150 Nm. Thanks to these impressive performance figures, both models accelerate from standstill to 100 km per hour in just 4.0 seconds. For the Mansory Gronos MY25, 10x24 all-round rims in different designs with corresponding high-performance tires in the all-round size 295/30 R24 are available. The ultralight forged and one-piece rim type FC.5, first introduced on the Mansory Pugnator, is now also available for the G-Class. As with all Mansory complete conversions, the interior can basically be freely chosen in terms of color, quilting and carbon design. Many details, lovingly crafted with the highest quality: seat belts with embroidered Mansory logo, Mansory carbon sports pedals, Mansory leather sports steering wheel, carefully quilted Mansory leather floor mats, Mansory lettering on the handles and countless other detail solutions make the Mansory Gronos MY25 a very special vehicle that can masterfully implement the customer's wishes in every respect, even in the interior. A start/stop button moved to the headliner between the sun visors and several hundred illuminated LEDs representing a starry sky in the headliner and door panels complete the changes in the Gronos interior and provide a unique ambience for the highest demands.